In this video, I will teach you to correctly execute the technical analysis of any forex pair for swing trading. I will share with you the rules of my swing trading strategy, the analysis, the confirmation, and the entry. And we'll discuss a real swing trading setup that I just spotted. Take notes and let's get started. And before we open the chart, always remember that for swing trading forex with technical analysis, daily time frame is the most important time frame that you should learn to analyze. The analysis of this time frame is essential for the identification of profitable swing trading setup. We are on cat Swiss pair on a daily time frame, and our first task here will be to analyze the market trend. If we zoom out the chart and analyze the price action, we can spot that the market is clearly bearish. We can see that over time the market keeps setting new lower lows and lower highs, and according to the classic price action rules, we have the market that is trading in a global bearish trend. However, if you are a swing trader, you should always remember that perspective really matters in trading, and you should analyze not only the global trend, also the minor trend. Traders, last days of big sale. Until tomorrow, get a lifetime access to my premium group with the 40% discount, VIP signals included. For more info, check the link in the description below. Don't miss your chance, traders. If we zoom in the chart and analyze the recent price action, we can spot that the picture completely changes here. Once the market set the last lower low, we bounced, we formed a strong bullish impulse, we retraced, and we set a new higher high here. So from the price action perspective, we have the market that started to trade in a minor bullish trend here. But then a very important event happened. Then the market tested that important area. Why that area is so important? Because if we look left at structure and analyze the historical price action, we can spot that it is a very significant historical resistance. In the past, it was a strong support. It was respected multiple times by the market. And after the breakout, obviously it turned into a strong resistance. After the test of that resistance, a very important event occurred. You can see that the market started to fall rapidly and the price violated the level of the last higher low. Here was the structure that was based on the last higher low. And in a bullish trend, the structure that is based on the last higher low is very important. Its violation is a very important event that is called change of character. It signifies the violation of a bullish trend. Why is it so important here? Because the market is globally bearish. The market is trading in a global bearish trend, and once that low was reached, the market started a correctional movement. And the minor bullish trend that we see right here is just a correctional movement in a global bearish trend. And the violation of this minor bullish trend here may signify that the correction is over and that the market may return to a global bearish trend. Now the broken structure based on the level of the last higher low turns into a strong resistance. And for us, that resistance may provide a very safe point for a swing trading opportunity. And we are not selling the market aggressively from that resistance. Before we sell, we will need to analyze the intraday price action as well and look for confirmation. Because that breakout here can easily be false, and we need something that will confirm the validity of that breakout. The broken structure will be the area where we will look for a swing trade. But before we open the trade, we will strictly look for a confirmation signal on a 4-hour time frame. That will be the second time frame for our analysis. On a 4-hour time frame, we can see in details the price action after a breakout of a key daily structure. We can spot that after the breakout, the market retested the broken structure, and then we started to consolidate. You can see that then the market started to trade within this horizontal trading range. And why that range is so important here? Because within that range, the market participants are deciding whether the breakout is false or valid. And a bullish violation of the resistance of the range will confirm that the breakout is false and that our predictions on a daily are wrong. But at the same time, if the price drops and if the price violates the support of the range, it will be a clear sign of strength of the sellers for us. It will confirm that sellers are strong and that they are willing to push the prices lower. For now, the support of the range is the resort for buyers to buy from. We can spot multiple strong bullish reactions to that, and definitely it is a very important intraday structure. Our signal here, our signal to open a swing short on CAD Swiss will be a 4-hour candle close below the support of the range. Once the price closes below that, we will set our sell limit order on a retest of a broken support of the range. You can see that I have my alert lying below the support of the range. It will notify me about the breakout attempt of that. Our safe stop loss will strictly lie above the highs of the range. It will be a very safe point to set a stop loss. And our target, our take profit for the trade will be based on a daily time frame analysis. On a daily time frame, our task will be to identify the closest key daily structure support. And our closest support will be that area. And the target will simply lie above that. So here's our potential swing trade for CAD Swiss pair. You can see that we can have a very nice potential reward to risk ratio for the trade, and the only thing that we will need right here to confirm that setup is the breakout of the support of the range on the 4-hour time frame. In order to identify the trading setup, first we analyzed a global trend on a daily, and then we analyzed a minor trend. After that, we analyzed the historical key levels and spotted a strong bearish movement from a resistance. After that, we spotted the violation of a minor bullish trend and a confirmed change of character. Then we spotted that the market retested the broken structure based on the level of the last higher low, and we decided that it will be a very safe point for us to sell. And then on the 4-hour time frame, we started looking for confirmation. We spotted the consolidation after a breakout of a key horizontal structure, and we discussed that our confirmation here will be a breakout of the support of the range. I always say to my students that for a profitable swing trading with technical analysis, one time frame is not enough. A combination of a daily and the 4-hour time frames analysis is very powerful and guarantees accurate entries. Learn to apply trend analysis, price action analysis, key levels analysis on these time frames. That will be the key in your success in swing trading. Let me know traders in the comment section if you have any questions. Also, do not forget about big August sale, 40% off on my premium group, VIP signals included. For more info, check the link in the description below. Also, traders, please watch my other videos.